Are you frustrated with just a few of your newsletters making it through spam filters to your recipients' inboxes?
Welcome to The Source.
Well, in this video, I'll be walking you through 2 hacks to help you as a Coldwell Banker agent get higher deliverability on these emails. First, we're going to use Moxie Impress. This platform has the ability for you to build out a newsletter just as you would in Prospect Square. You drop in your photos, your headings, your links, and more. So what are the pros to this? Well, first off, you'll still have tracking analytics to check your deliverability, open rate, and click-through rate. You'll also have more control over when this is sent and what's included in it to make sure that all of the links and articles that you're using are relevant to your sphere of influence. However, one con is that while you'll see an uptick in deliverability, this is still a CRM, and all CRMs are experiencing this deliverability issue, so you might still have some emails not delivered. But here's your second option. If you send yourself this newsletter, you'll have the ability to send it out directly from your email as well. But there's actually 2 ways to go about this. First, you can forward this message to all of your contacts, making sure, of course, any signs of a forwarded message are removed. To do this would include copying and pasting a full column of your emails from an Excel document into the BCC field in your email. Your other option would be to take this email and copy and paste it into a Word document. From here, you can perform a mail merge with an Excel document of your contacts. A pro to this is that yes, you will have a higher deliverability rate because this is sent from your email directly. However, a con is you won't have the same analytics that a CRM would offer. So give one of these a try on your next newsletter, and if you want to see how to improve your open rate of your newsletter, check out my video here.
And that's all for this month on The Source.